Now our new topic is your histogram. Histogram is what? These are nothing but the pictorial representation of the group data. Always remember that in case of bar graph, there are two types of bar graph I discussed, that is single bar graph and double bar graph for ungrouped data or ungrouped frequency table. But here I am going to discuss about bar graph or pictorial representation for group data. There are two basic differences between these two types of pictorial representation, that for ungrouped data, bar graphs must be drawn at some equal distance. But in case of group data, bar graph must be drawn without any distance. They are continuous. So let's see this table. Then I discuss with you how we arrange this on a graph. Now see this table, all of you. In this case class is given. Class is your as 10 to 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. For these, all these classes the frequencies are given 3, 5, 10, 8. Now we are going to draw for this a pictorial representation. For as I told you in our last discussion that variable must be on y-axis and fixed must be on the x-axis. So here variables are frequency. So we can write down from here it's 0, 0. So we define 5, take equal bit of 5, 5 interval, then 15 and then 20, that's enough. And in this case, again we start from this, it's a 0, it's a 10, 20, we take all these at regular interval of, and then next one is 40 to 5. Always use your scale. So for this is your frequency, this is your class interval. Now for 0 to 10, there is nothing, so we leave at this 0 to 10. Then 10 to 20, there are 3 frequencies, 3. So 3 means what? If we divide, this is a half or more than half. So we start from this by using scale. And then here also, because it's a range of 10 to 20, so we draw a graph till from 10 to 20. Then after class, 20 to 30 we are having 5. So we increase this side, it's a for 20, it's a 5, 30, it's a 5. This is your lower limit for this class and upper limit for this class, 20 and 30. Then 30 to 40, it's a 10. So we reach up to 10. It's a 30 to 40, there are 10, then 40 to 58, that is your less than less than 10. So likewise, you will draw the graph, but be careful. See, there is no gap in between 4 bars. So, because they are continuous, these data are continuous. If you see, take 20, take 20, 20. There is no gap between 20. Lower limit and upper limit. Lower, there is no gap. So, we not place any gap over here. Hope this one is clear to you. Next one, for breaking this system. Now see this table. Here class start from 150, it's a 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180 and 180 to 190. So these are the 4 class. Now we are going to draw the histogram for this table. See here. These frequencies are multiple of 5. So starting from this 0, then it is your 5, then this is your 10, this is your 15, this is your 20, and this one is your 25. Clear? Then see this case. It starts from 150 and here we are having 0. So what it is? Start from 50 last? No. We start 50 from this place. Say we mark this as a 140. Then at equal 150 we take 1 point more than this one. 150, 160, 170, then we are having 180, 190, and take one extra, that is 200. We take 1 plus from this upper limit and 1 minus from this lower limit. So it's a 140 and 200. Now check, we are going to start from 150 to 160, means from here. But this point is your 0. So for continuation we use a break sign likewise. Then we are able to start from counting 140 onward. So 150 to 160 is a 5. Now we can start as I discussed. It's a 5, then it's a 15. 15, then it is your 10, 170, it's a 10, then it's a 25, likewise we will draw the histogram. So these are the concept of histogram. Next thing we are going to discuss some questions in our next videos.